Welcome. This video is not typical video tutorial how to model things. It's more kind of overview how I was creating this high poly model. It's showing the process of modeling with the commentary. I'm really hoping you will enjoy this kind of type video. Without further ado, let's start. Hello, my name is Eric. Welcome to my channel. As you can hear, I'm not English native speaker, so I'm very sorry for mistakes. Another very important thing, this is the first time I record this kind of video tutorial. So please forgive me, any kind of mishaps might happen during this video. Right now, I will show you two websites where you can get reference photos or pictures and some measurements that we will use for our model. First website, it is Facebook's group called Children of MacGyver, and as you can see, they have a lot of reference photos, very useful. Second website called One-to-One Stargate Project, have some measurements and it's very useful too. And they have first picture that we'll use in our project. All the links you will find in the description below. Also, in the Google search engine, if you type Stargate measurements, you will find the picture we will need for our project. Before we start modeling our Stargate, we will prepare our scene. First thing we will do, we will change the name of composition to light and camera. Also, we will add another composition called Stargate. And another composition called Blueprints. Grab cube and move to Stargate, and we can hide the light and camera. After that, we will select the cube and we will change the name of the cube to Stargate. .001. Okay, we can hide now the cube. Now we will import the measurement, the picture with measurements. I'm very sorry, I don't know why OSB didn't record how I choose the file. Right now we don't see nothing, but if you press viewport shading, boom, here we have our measurements. Okay, now we can unhide our cube that we called Stargate. We will go now to edit mode, M for merge at the center, okay, and G to move, and we will move our vertex bottom, okay. Let's zoom in, grab the picture measurements, okay, our picture, GY, put more in the center, okay, it's enough. Okay, let's go back to our cube, our Stargate, edit mode. Let's grab this vertex. Okay, now we will extrude our vertex. Extrude Y, move left. Extrude Z, going down. Okay, so you see how it looks. So now I will trace the outside part of the gate, and I will finish in the center here, and then I will back to you. Okay, so let's grab this vertex, we will duplicate it, Shift D, and we will put here. And now extrude, extrude Y, and put a little bit here. Okay, so let's hide, and this is the shape you should have. We will add the mirror modifier and press Y, and we duplicate it. You can press even merge. Yes, we have merge, and apply. Okay, so unhide blueprints, and now we will trace this part. Don't worry about this part, it doesn't matter the way it looks right now, it's not important, but right now we will trace this part. So let's go to edit mode, grab this vertex, Shift D, put here, and extrude, extrude, and the last one, extrude. Okay, and let's go back to object mode. Let's hide, let's continue, let's go to edit mode. We have selected everything. If not, press A. Okay, now extrude, X for X axis, and move. It's enough here. Okay, let's go to object mode. Now press N, and here we will change some dimensions. So Z, change to 0, 0, 255. Y, change to 0.4826. And X, 2.058. And everything looks beautiful. Okay, go back to object mode, object, set origin, surface. Okay, now we can move our cube to center. Okay, and now Control 8, all transforms. Yes, looks really nice. Okay, so let's go back to edit mode, tap edit mode. We will cut this mesh to increase the resolution. Control R, first cut, right 31. Okay, we can't forget about those pieces too. Control R, right 31. And here, the last one, right 31. Okay, and now we can go out from object mode. Okay, it's not end, we still have to refine few things. Okay, next things we have to improve is this part, because here will be our ring. So let's press here, okay, C, and we can, okay. Now we will extrude along the normals. Extrude. It's enough. Okay, it's enough. Okay, now this part. First remove those faces, this one and this one, X, delete face. Okay, let's go to edge, Control R, okay, GG, move here, and now GG, 0.2 minus, and we have beautiful edge The same thing on the top, R, GG, double G of course, and now double G again, 0.2 minus, okay. Shift Alt, okay, extrude, and here, yes, we will put 3, perfect, and the same thing, Shift Alt, extrude, 0.03, perfect. Okay, let's select those faces and delete. Number 2 on the keyboard, you see we're going to the edge mode, Shift Alt, X, dissolve edge, okay, because we don't need them. And we can dissolve this one too, X, dissolve the edge, the same here, we don't need, X, dissolve the edge. We could dissolve this too, but I will leave it because we will need this one later. For this part, that's all. In the second part, we will model some decorations and patterns that you can see on Stargate. If you like this video, subscribe, press the like button, and don't forget also press the ring bell. And thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.